Hello viewers! We will learn how to create a model in NX. We will be drawing the sketch first, then we will see how to convert it to solid. Now we will go to NX, select the front plane and enter the sketch environment. First we will draw a circle in the origin point and give the dimension R12. We will draw the rest of the sketch according to the drawing provided and dimension it properly. We will be using line, trim, dimension commands to complete the sketch. We are almost done. Now we are drawing the base rectangle of length 80 millimeters, and then we will draw the rib outline. To create a proper solid model, we should draw the sketch properly and dimension it according to the drawing provided. We can use dimensions and geometrical constraints, whichever applicable. Now we have finished the sketch and out of the sketch environment. We will use the Extrude command first. In Extrude, we need to select the planar profile and specify the extrusion height. We will be creating the base of the model now by selecting the base rectangle and extrude it up to 40 millimeters according to the top view. Again, extrude, select the profile, give the start value 0 and end value as 30 millimeters. We always have to specify the start and end values in the extrude command. Since we have a previously created body and now we are creating the second body, so we can use Boolean operations in extrude. In this case, we will use unite. Now we will be creating the rib shown in the drawing. We will again use extrude and select the profile of the rib. Start value 0 and end value 10 millimeters. In Boolean, we will choose unite. Only one detail left, that is a hole of dia 12 millimeters. We will go to sketch and select the locating face and enter the sketch environment. Draw a circle and position it 15 millimeters from both the edges. Now our circle is drawn and we will use extrude to create the hole. As we will be using subtract in Boolean, we need not worry about the start and end values. Only one thing we need to take care is that the body should extend outwards from the sides. Our solid model is now complete.
Do like, subscribe, and share. Write your feedback in the comments section. Thanks for watching.